Oh, hey everyone, welcome to Studio Z. It's Future Pete, and today I'm going to show you how I built this really cool fall decoration that you can hang on your front door or even on a wall. I'm going to take you step by step how I set up the machine, how I machined it, and then ultimately how I stained it and got it to look like I did. This one's pretty cool. I'm really happy with it. So, without any further ado, let's go back in time and I'll show you how this all got started. Oh, yeah, sorry about that. I think I was like 2 years old there. I think I went a little too far back. So let me try that again and hopefully we can get it to the beginning of when I started this. All right, so to start this one off, I have my table set up with my elevated sacrificial boards. I'm gonna be using short bits today for this project. So in order for me to be able to reach down to the table, I have to jack it up a little bit. And I also have the surface prepped with double-sided stick tape. I have the outside perimeter taped off and then the center of it taped off as well, so that I can isolate the piece once it's cut free. I won't have to worry about, losing it and getting it jammed into the bit. I don't like using tabs, so this is the easiest way to do it and not have to use tabs. In case you're wondering, this is the double-sided stick tape that I'm using. See if the camera can focus on it. There we go. And I've also already prepped my board. I'll be using a 16 by 16 cherry wood board. And again, I'm just gonna see if the camera, there we go. It's 1 inch thick and it's just 2 boards. And that's what I'll be carving today. And so, all right, let me peel this tape off. I'll stick the board down to it and then we'll start the roughing process. Okay, so the first step before we rough everything out is to locate the corner of the material so that the machine knows where the material is. And it's basically just locating this corner and the very top surface of the material. So I just press. I like to keep it in place so it doesn't move. All right, so now it's going to go back and register that. So this is now measuring the tool so that it can enter all the coordinates that it just measured. All right, so that's it for that step. It has located that corner. So now I'm just gonna swap out the bit. I'll put in the roughing bit and we will be ready to start the roughing pass. Okay, so here we go on the roughing pass. It's just gonna measure the tool and we'll start cutting.
All right, so I've freed it from the scrap wood that was surrounding it, and I've gone ahead and used the nylon brush on it to remove all of the fuzzies that it had. And as you can see, I've begun to start to apply the stain to it. I'm using an oil-based stain for the leaves, and I'm using a custom stain for the pumpkin, the orange, and the green parts. Now this took well over an hour. I think it's about an hour and a half to stain all of this. So what I'm going to do for you guys is speed this up, play some music, and I will catch back up with you guys as soon as it's done. All right, here it is, all done. Just needs to dry a little more and it'll be ready to hang on a wall or the front door. I'm really happy with the way the colors turned out on this one. Really, really pretty. After all, the fall is my favorite season. All right, so let's wrap this one up. Looking really good.
All right, everyone. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm really happy how this one turned out. I love the staining, the colors. It's just really, really pretty. So I hope you guys learned something from this one. And oh, for those of you that did make it this far, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the file from Vectric so that if you wanna duplicate this, you can. It's really easy to do and not much to it. So, and actually in that file, there's even a little separate video from them that shows you how to do it in vectric. It's, like I said, it's really, really simple. So I'll leave that in the description. And I hope, like I said, this was useful to you and that you learned something. If you did, please, all I ask for is a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It's really, really important to keeping this channel going. So with that, I will see you guys on the next one.